Welcome to a new video. Today's video is also going to be very interesting and beneficial for you. Give 2 minutes and learn how to defend yourself if someone grab your neck. So let's start the video. In street fight, if someone grab your neck in this position, then what should you do here? I will teach you 2 effective and new techniques that you can apply. First, technique number 1. Watch very carefully. Step number 1. You will do punch on his elbow joint by using your full body force. Like this way, hit the punch on his elbow joint. Watch again, hit the punch by using full 40 force on his elbow joint. Now step number 2, now quickly bring your arm in this position and lock his neck in this way. Now you can hit your knee shot on his stomach. Technique number 2, this technique is very tricky, effective, easy and fast technique. So watch very carefully this technique. Otherwise you can't understand. Let's start. In this technique, you will keep your shoulder up in this position and grab his wrist in this position with your both hands. But your shoulder will be up. And lift his arm up and keep his arm on your collar and turn around your body in this position. If you twist more, his arm can be break. Guys, both techniques we will show you from the other angle so you can understand better. Technique number 1. Step number 1. Hit. Now grab his neck and knee shot on his belly. Now technique number 2. When he grab your neck, step number 1. Lift your shoulder up. Now keep his arm on your neck position and turn around your body. Guys, now I'll show you these techniques in fast motion, how it works or not. Technique number 2. Guys, please support our channel because we are making very good videos for you, and share our video with a lot of people. And thanks a lot of those people who supporting our channel. Now if you are new, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share our video. Thank you.